Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you, a brand new product. Now, hold up a second, before we dive in, I want you to do me a solid favor. Check out the full review I've put together for you.
Alright, I just woke up and I am about to run out to the gym. And today I want to work on improving my SEO for my website. So, before I head out, I'm just gonna ask Odin and I'm gonna message him to sort of review my website and. So I've just sent off this message and I'll get back to Odin in a bit once I'm back from the gym and we'll see what it comes up with. All right, so I just got back from the gym, and it seems like Odin is done analyzing my website, and it has given me a full breakdown about the SEO thingy that we needed, and it has created a report for me. So let's just pull this up, and it's essentially scored a 4 on 10 for SEO and a 1 on 10 for AEO. And as you can see here, it has given me a list of issues that I need to fix, and it's also pulled out things that are working well, and then it's giving me some action steps for AEO, and then there's a full action plan that it has given me along with the kind of impact it will have and the amount of effort it would take, and it's divided in 3 phases. So I can now go up and pick this up myself, or I could just ask Odin again to sort of go in and do this for me. But that's really the beginning of Odin. Now, Odin is essentially an AI assistant who lives on your computer, whether you're using a Mac or Windows, it works on both, and it's so easy to use. All you have to do is press Control Space and just talk to Odin like a human would. And it's easier than giving instructions to a team member of yours. So I'll show you. Let's say, I have some tasks in Asana that I want to complete. So let's see. Let's pull up my Asana here. Okay, so in here I have a task that needs to be done, but let's say I'm just feeling too lazy or I have to head out or something. I can integrate Asana into Odin, and I have already done that here, but let me show you how that works. I'm just gonna press Control Space and I'm gonna ask Odin to do it for me. Hey Odin, can you launch a background agent? Pull my pending tasks from Asana and please do it for me. And you'll see right here in a moment.
Starting background agent.
Odin has launched a background agent and it is now starting, and it will go in and start doing the work for me. And that's essentially just one part of Odin. Besides that, we also have two other very cool features that I would like to show you. One of them is the fact that Odin can teach you things. Let me just quickly reply to Odin. So essentially, Odin was asking if I'm logged in and or not, and I'm honestly not sure. So I just told Odin that I'll log in, and as you see now, Odin has pulled up the login page for me. Odin will never ask you for your logins or any other sensitive information. If it needs it, it's just going to open the page for you, and it's going to ask you to essentially do the steps yourself. So as you can see, it's saying that Odin browser has the sign-in page open. Look for a window labeled Odin Agent Browser in your dock. Please sign in with your email. And hopefully that should do it. Yep, there we go. I will just tell Odin that it's done now. And Odin can continue working on it. Now, in the meantime, I would like to show you the two other features of Odin that I think are pretty incredible. So one of them is the guide feature, which essentially allows you to ask Odin things and learn how to do them. So, for example, let's say you are logging into Gmail for the first time, you can just press Control Space. Hey Odin, how do I create a new email? And ask Odin the most basic or the most challenging thing, and Odin can help you go through it. So it's gonna now show me that I can click on that big compose button,
Click the big Compose button on the left sidebar, or hit the C key on your keyboard to open a new email instantly.
and that's how Odin can guide you. Now let's make it a bit more challenging. Let me just ask Odin, how do I create an API key? Hey Odin, can you please help me out? I don't know how to create an API key. So it just pointed me to the create button here, and I
Click the
can click
Create
on
button
that.
in the top right corner to add a new workspace and name it.
And it just doesn't work on your browser. It can pretty much work in any app that you're using. So for example, I'm here in my Asana app, and let's ask Odin something. Hey Odin, can you tell me how do I create a new project in Asana?
Click the Create button in the top left of your sidebar. It'll open a menu where you can choose project and start building it right away.
And that's essentially how Odin can help you throughout any particular app, or really anything essentially that you need help with. And that's just one thing. Then you have the act mode, which basically takes control of your computer screen and does things for you. So let's say I want to create a Facebook page, but I don't want to do it myself. I can just ask Odin, hey Odin, can you create a new Facebook page for me called ODIN AI, and just fill in the rest of the details however you'd like. And now, as you can see, there's a top bar that says Odin is controlling your computer. So now essentially Odin can use your computer and take actions. So my hands are off the keyboard now, and Odin is going in and it's creating a Facebook page for me. So it's opening the page creator, and now it's typing in the name, it's going to type in the category, and then it's going to type in the bio and create this page for me. And as you can see, essentially it's filling up everything, and now it's hitting the create page button, and the page has been created. Now it's asking for a few more details. I'm not sure what Odin would do. Either it would tell me that it's done creating the page, or it's gonna ask me for details that Odin can fill in here as well. And there you go. Odin says the page has been created. So that's how the act mode works. And if I could show you, the task that it's working on, so you'll see that it's going in and it's actually marking the applicants as either shortlisted, or Odin is gonna, reject them. So let's see this in real time as well. As you can see, it's navigating to the next one. And now it's gonna review the resume here and see if this person fits the job description, and based on that it's either gonna mark them as shortlisted or it's gonna reject them. And this is a long list, by the way. This is about 300 people, as you can see right here. So it may take a while for Odin to complete this work, but essentially this gives you an idea of what exactly Odin can do for you. And by the way, once Odin is done shortlisting, I can also ask Odin to grab the emails of these people and then send them an email inviting them for an interview. So that's how cool that is. And as you see, Odin just marked this recipient as or this person has rejected, and now the cross is active, and now it's gonna go and navigate to the next person, and then it's gonna continue on until it's done. So yeah, that's essentially how Odin works. That's what it can do. um, and I think it's a really, really powerful tool for anyone. And at the price especially that we're offering it right now, it's just a complete no-brainer. So make sure that you jump on before this launch pricing expires and get in at the one-time price while we're offering it. Cheers.